guys. But generally speaking, you need to take the femur. All right, so you cross the leg over, you guys, and then you use the weight of this leg and gravity to pull the femur into some rotation. Like this. Now, if I work with clients and they struggle in this area, I'll bring them up and I'll twist the femur myself. But you can't do that yourself, right?
No.
Okay, so this one is
safe either.
This is kind of it's not great, but it does something. Now you have to learn how to position your foot. The inner portion of your shoe, I always felt, needs to be just in the right spot to allow my hip to go. If I'm in here, it's more my lumbar. Okay,
got it.
But if you see in here how my lumbar doesn't move as much, my pelvis, and so I kind of use my muscles actively to hold my pelvis, and then I try to put pressure with this leg down like this to achieve this rotation of my femur internally.